In this video, we are going to see how you can connect Power BI to Incorta using new SQL interface. But before we do that, make sure you have following handy. First is JDBC string. Second is for Power BI, from this JDBC string, you need to extract, form this like this. You'll be using this when you set up a connection in Power BI. So you can get the server detail from here, port number from here, and then you will need this HTTP path in the way shown here. And how do you get this? For that, you just need to go to your cluster detail, make sure advanced SQL interface is enabled, go to configuration here, and you can enable it from here and then copy this SQL string from here. So once you are done with this, next thing you will need is personal access token. So for that, you will need to sign into Incorta, and once you signed in, just go to your profile icon and generate your personal access token from security tab by clicking on create personal access token. If you don't see this here, just request your admin to enable this for you, and that's how you'll be able to generate this. Okay, so now I have all the information here. Let's go ahead and connect Power BI to Incorta now. So let's click on select Spark SQL connector from this. Do this. Let's change this to HTTP, and then for server name we can just specify this. And let's select direct query, and next is we'll need to specify user ID and password. So user ID is your username, %tenant name, and for password use your personal access token. Once you connect, it gets all the schema and tables that user has access to. Now you can drag and drop some of these tables and or especially business view and start analyzing that data in Power BI.